Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say, any day above and not under, it's a blessed day. So y'all, today I have for you all some good old Jamaican jerk chicken. So we're doing
mukbang.
Jerk dinner mukbang today, y'all. So it's dark meat with steamed cabbage and rice and beans and Jamaican bread. And then I got cola champagne soda. Jamaican soda. Alright, so let's get started. How is my foodie fam?
You have to hold it so they can see it. They can't see it no more.
Oh, yeah.
Hey cousins. Thumbnail.
Oh shoot, hold on. I ain't had that in a minute.
Come on, Ma.
What you think what?
Pick up a piece of chicken. She don't understand. I only have a few. It only clips out a few seconds. So if she don't do my thumbnail,
Y'all,
it'd be hard.
the service at Jerk Flavor. This place is in Markham. The service was very good. The lady in there was nice as ever. This is the first time I'm eating from there. This is jerk sauce, by the way. Yes, love, that's spicy. There you go. I said I fell for some jerk chicken. So I went and got some. How was y'all day?
How was your day? You always asking us. Tell us about your day.
I want to strangle my kids.
What's new?
Yeah.
She got her lashes done, y'all. I wonder if y'all can tell.
I'll be. Y'all, that be taking forever. I am so impatient. I don't have the patience.
And I'll take. We just laughing at her.
I don't.
She be like, "We done?" No, that was just one eye.
I so well. I'm like free at last.
Too thirsty.
I was
She
ready to
popping
get.
that little bubble.
I was ready to get up.
How is it?
It tastes good. The so far, so good. The cabbage is really good. Y'all want some? Take a bite. Take a bite.
Ooh. Right.
Chicken is like the way I like it, burnt. Are you burnt?
I think that's partly the reason why I don't like jerk chicken.
Right.
I don't like all that burntness.
I love it. You remember Vanessa? This wouldn't have been burnt enough for her. She used to love going to Uncle Joe's because they made it just the way she loved it. Chicken is my life. Y'all know I've been missing it.
You been missing seafood too. You been missing everything.
I swear, but the chicken I've been missing.
Chicken never gets old. Chicken never gets old. And when they do get old, you just cook it a different way.
I swear.
Wow, no.
Huh?
Nothing.
Please leave me alone.
Fatty.
I'm eating my food right now.
Fatty, waggy.
This is...
She in her zone, auto zone.
I am. And it's like, I really just want to eat. Oh, now, you need to submit some questions, y'all.
Especially kids, because you wanted this. So next mukbang, we do a Q&A.
So, submit the questions. And we'll do a Q&A next time.
All you gotta do is drop it in the comment if you got some questions. That's all you gotta do. That's how you submit your question.
There's so many Jamaican restaurants around, but there's very few that I enjoy.
Everybody cook different, so
Yeah.
like, it's just.
How did you like it?
The rice is good. I like the cabbage. The cabbage was really good.
Yep.
Like the flavors they chose, the seasoning or whatever.
Yep.
Great. To tell you what exact seasoning it was, I can't. I cannot pinpoint it like that.
It's good.
It's just good.
I'm sorry, y'all. No, I'm not. I'm eating. And the food is good. Y'all know when the food goes, you don't want to talk. You just want to eat. It was packed up in there too. Did I mention this my first time eating from this place? One thing for sure, two things for certain. I'll be back.
We're thinking about doing jerk week, y'all.
Yeah. That's what we're thinking about this week. Oh, and a few, I have some requested videos that I have to get to.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Y'all know what we do.
Y'all know I'm going to try my best to get around to everybody. Just give me a minute.
Did you tell them about the mic?
What about it?
How was out of commission?
Oh yeah, they've
We
been though.
just, oh, they been though.
Yeah,
We just
did
got
tell
to figure
about it.
out.
I finally brought it back today. And they didn't have the one that I had.
Yeah,
So
so
they
they
have to
was
ship
trying
it
to
to
give
them.
us the hat. Y'all remember how stores used to just give it to you because it was basically an inconvenience to you? It's just no more. Customer service is really dead nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
It's really dead. And
Y'all,
it's
I
really
cleaned
sad.
my plate. Look at my plate. I ain't gotta wash this thing.
Stop! Mama, stop. Tell me I ain't gotta wash this thing.
Who believes me? Not a soul.
She did used to lick her plate back in the day though.
Oh my word, she got a tail that? Hey!
You a true foodie, man.
Yes, I am.
Stingy too.
Yes, I am.
I was about to say, you better say yes I am.
No,
Better
like,
on that truth.
hold on, like me to say, I prefer for you to get your own. Don't ask me for none. I'll buy you your own. Don't ask me for mine.
That's true. That's big facts.
Mm-hmm.
But see, I'm that type of person who I'll eat my own and I'll stare you down and be like, can I get some?
That bread could stay.
I said it felt funny.
That bread could, they could keep that one. But, that was a piece of skin. You know, that's the best part. Like the burnt skin. Ooh, wait. Look at that. Look at that. Who love that? Me?
But I appreciate that.
What? And I need more jerk sauce. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah, that's all burnt.
That is like,
That's burnt.
Y'all, see, I say the meat for last.
She about to devour it, y'all. Just
I'm
watch.
about to,
I'm gonna be quiet so y'all can see.
yeah. Y'all gonna see me get down today. Dang, I need more jerk sauce.
Next time you know, asking for 2, 3.
The lady up in there though, she was really nice. She's an older lady. Nice lady. Really nice. Like she said, customer service. No more. Anybody else got attitude? Nah. Not there.
Yeah, but that really blew me in Best Buy. Like, normally you would accommodate because you don't have it in the store, so you would cancel out that extra, what was it? Extra $10 for the same exact mic. Just in a different color. Crazy.
Ooh wee. So Sean been telling y'all that I'm a bone crusher.
Think she comfortable enough now.
I think y'all gonna see it tonight because it's like the way I like it is burnt. You know, don't judge me. I just like what I like. That's the best part to me. Best part. Chewing the bones. Wow, yes. Ooh. I ain't gonna let y'all see that. Alright. Demolished.
Show show them what it looks like.
Y'all want to see it?
Yes. No, I want to see you chew up that piece in your hand.
Look at how I burn. I don't know who else out there like me, but baby.
She got some strong teeth.
This is like all I want to do is say hallelujah. So food.
We searched for this place too. We thought long and hard where we were gonna go.
The place that I originally wanted to go, they was out of
Everything.
everything I wanted. Okay.
I was like, Mom, just forget it with them.
Right.
You ain't got nothing. What they said they had, they didn't have light or dark, they had mixed.
Look, she told me to show y'all. That's what it looked like.
Look how she grinded it up.
That was fantastic. Yeah. And then need more jerk sauce, but I ain't got no more. Something on the top. Oh, we savage today.
Yummy-licious. Yummy-licious.
Yummy, girl.
Like, I don't even like jerking. She making me want some jerky, huh? I don't even like it.
It's good. It is good.
I think actually one of our first, like, we love videos we watched was Jerk Chicken. She had, like, the whole shebang. I was like, gosh, she had, like, oxtail and the fish and then the chicken. And she ate it. That was the most amazing part. Look, y'all, I know y'all want to know what's going on in her mouth just as bad as I do. Like, how you crushing all of that up?
Put the bone in there and chew. I can't wait to read these comments. That was truly enjoyable. Excuse me, y'all. Bye, Foodie fam. Love y'all.